What's up everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to show you guys how to use the Stable Diffusion models on an AMD graphic card. At the moment the graphic card that I've been using is AMD software. So it's RX 570. It's basic and economical friendly graphic card, but yeah, that's what I'm using lately. So I'll be running the Stable Diffusion on this so you guys stay in touch with it. Now, what we have to do, we have to go ahead and open up this specific repository on the GitHub. The link to the repo is in the description. Make sure you guys check that out. Now, what we have to do over here, you will see that install and run on AMD GPUs. And it's totally configured for the AMD GPUs plus the Windows. So, first thing first, you need to download the Git for the Windows. Then you have to have a Python downloaded into your system. All of the links are in the description so you guys can check that out. The model that we'll be using is this model, the specific one. Let me show it to you guys. Dream Shaper. So you guys can simply click on here and download it, and then we'll be using it in our own creating art using this specific model. It can create one of the great arts that you can find on Stable Diffusion. And also, if you want to know about how to use a specific model to generate your art, this is the blog for you. You guys can always go ahead and check it out. The link is in the description so you guys can just hop up and use it. So now, once you have downloaded the repo and how there is a simple way to download it as well. Now you have downloaded the Git, now you have downloaded the Python. Just simply open up the PowerShell and type in this specific command. Git clone the link and cd stable diffusion. The link is the same command. I'm going to paste it in the description so you guys just download it and then run it. So what it will do, it will start downloading it right away. So this is how you guys can download it, and once it's downloaded, you will be able to run it on your GPU. I hope you found this video helpful. See you in the next one. Take care. Bye bye.